Hello guys, good morning. This is Sachis Cave. Welcome to my channel. Here I am providing you UI UX tools and technologies. And so please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get notified every time when I am going to upload my new videos about the tools and technologies. This is also for a freshers and the experience holder, those working in the same field is very benefited. So guys, let's start for the today's tools called Owl Carousel. What is Owl Carousel? Owl Carousel is like a slider where we are using in HTML projects for logo sliding or kind of news sliding, latest news, event sliding. We are using Owl Carousel. I have made the Owl Carousel customized for you guys in the English and the Arabic version also. Fully responsive and it is very useful. So today I am going to show you the procedure how it works. So let's start the Owl Carousel. For that you have to go to sachiscape.com and go to articles. From articles you have to see the lots of articles I have given in my website, and you have to choose the Owl Carousel because today the topic is for Owl Carousel. In the Owl Carousel you see I have given the short descriptions, and you have to click the explore and go to details page. You can see I have given the screenshot also to visualize what it is. After that you can see the download button. When you click the download button, it will open in a Dropbox. I have shared my file in a Dropbox. From there you have to download the Owl Carousel files. When you download the Owl Carousel files, you will see the RAR format. Extract the RAR format. There you can see I have provided the JavaScripts, HTML, and I have given CSS. In the HTML you have to open in a notepad or the Dreamweaver as comfortable you are, or which technology you are using. It's depend upon you. From there, then I have opened this file in Notepad++. When I open the file in a Notepad++, I have given everything as a commented so that you understand how and where I have used this code and for the what purpose. So guys, here is my code. Here you can see the Owl Carousel version 2.3.4, and here I have given the meta tags which is not used for you guys, you use for your website. Here I have given the font I have used. Normally I am using the Google fonts. So here is linked. It's a free Google font you can use. And here I have used the Bootstrap meme, which is very necessary now. The people are using Bootstrap meme, and after that I have used Font Awesome for icons. And in the down you can see I have given the Owl Carousel mean. Mean is minimum, and Owl theme default mean also. Mean is like a minimized file which is very compressed for the HTML development. So here you can see the Sachiscape CSS. What is Sachiscape CSS? I have made for custom CSS where you can give your own styles. Here I have given the Sachiscape.css. Now for your use, you can give your name. Okay. So after that I have given small short descriptions, and after that I have given the English carousel, and in the down I have given the Arabic version of carousel. It's a RTL carousel, and the top is English carousel. In the down I have given a footer, is no news, no use for you, and here I have mentioned the English style Owl Carousel, and in the down I have given the Arabic style Owl Carousel. So you can see how the Owl Carousel used, and what is the benefit for your website. It's very user friendly, and I have the two version, English and Arabic version. So here you can see the next and the preview, and also it's auto slides, and here I have given options for dots also. As per your design requirement you can give the next preview arrow or dots options. Okay, and also it's a draggable also. Okay, for the English is right, for the Arabic, for English is left to right, for Arabic is right to left. This is the concept I have given. Okay, so for that you have to open the HTML, so that you have to open the HTML file. Here you can see I have mentioned for the English carousel. English carousel I have defined here English style. You can define for your different projects. Suppose you have a HTML1 project, you use 2-3 all carousel. For that you have to define here different name as for your project. So I have defined English and Arabic, so that I have given English, and here you can see the Arabic style. Okay, in the one English all carousel I have given the 12 blocks. Okay, but here you can see 3 to 5 owl carousel is coming in a one time. How? Here I have given 12 carousel, but there is coming 14 owl. Here I have given 12 owl carousel, but there is showing 5 owl carousel. How? For that you have to understand the HTML code and the JavaScript code. Here I have mentioned loop true. When it's going to finish, it's again start from the 1 automatically. Autoplay true. You can, if you are giving autoplay false, what will happen? It will not slide automatically. What is margin? The margin is kind of space in between the 8 and 9. In between two blocks there is a margin. What is responsive class? Responsive, now the trend is going on, whatever website you are making is coming also a mobile responsive version also. For that we have also defining the owl carousel in the mobile. Suppose 2 is showing, for tab we are showing 4, and for the system we are showing 5. So that logic you have to give here. I have categorized, in my experience I have categorized total 5 blocks. Breakpoint, you can say breakpoint. One is 11.99, you can see here. One is 9.99, one is 767, one is 479, and one is 320. I have defined everything, how is coming and where is coming. I have defined in my every projects. I am defining like that only. Okay, so that you can see here in the 11.99 means in the desktop is coming 4. If I am giving 6, what will happen? Three and 3, 6 owl carousel is coming, right? If I am giving 1, what will happen? 1 owl carousel is coming. Okay, if I so I changed to 5. Okay, if I am giving, I'll show you. (991). 4 is coming. You can see here. If I am giving in the 991 2 blocks I want to show in the 991, you can see in the responsive version 2 blocks is coming with autoplay. If I am giving autoplay false, what will happen? It's not sliding automatically. See how easy it is. The owl carousel is best platform for you guys. You can use for your projects, and for the logo slider also, for the latest news, for latest events. If you want to show random events or random news in your channel, it will come very nicely, and it's a browser compatibility. And for that, the color I have defined here also in a, you can see I defined everything, bootstrap mean font or some everything. In the CSS also I have defined everything in the Sachiscape.css. There, even if you want to see the Sachiscape, nothing is there, just general CSS. And I also have given MB, MT, MB, MR, PB. What is this? This is called MB is margin button, PB is padding button. So why I have given? It's just a short defining tools in a CSS I have given for you. you can use, or if you don't want you can delete it. It's not mandatory for you to implement in your project, but this kind of general things we are using in a HTML every times in my project. In the English I just define the color and the text alignment center, so that when I'm going to make a presentation for you, so it's looking better. So guys, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, so that I am getting motivated every time to make you new and new tools and technology for you guys. And also for this Owl Carousel, you can see I've given a URL to download the free files from my website, and it's very useful. If you have any doubts, you can give me a comment also, and you can ask me to make a new topics, whatever you want, for you don't know and you want to learn for that, so I can give for you anytime and every time. And I'm getting also self motivated when I'm making the video for you guys. And please stay at home and stay safe, and thank you. See you, take care, bye bye, see you.